We will use two basic techniques, wet on wet and using a damp brush to blend or pick up some colors. Start by applying a nice layer of water all over your paper. Take your mop brush and apply Persian blue on top half of the paper. Then apply rose madder on the rest of the paper. Blend rose madder and Persian blue by just going up and down 2-3 times with your brush. At this point, you can increase the intensity of any color you want, like I did with rose madder by just mixing a less diluted color and going all the way from bottom to the top of the paper. Now while this layer is still wet, mix a darker color. I just added violet to the blue I already had on my palette. We will use this to paint the clouds. Load your brush with this color and add random curved strokes to the sky. To add some variation, make some strokes thin and some thick. Once you are happy with the number of clouds, clean your brush and soak excess water using a cloth or a tissue and run it over the edges of the clouds. Clean your brush in between blending the clouds to avoid muddy colors. And this is how we are going to paint the skies in our sunsets. This is the reason I am using 100% cotton watercolor paper so that I can get smooth blends as it stays wet for a long time. Let's move on to the next lesson and start painting the sunsets.